Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to make changes to the control arms on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. To remove the suspension control arm, you must take off the front mudguard to gain access to the screw that holds the control arm of the half-subframe cradle. Using a T27 Torx socket, undo the screws from the front mudguard and remove it. Start by brushing the retaining nuts that connect the control arm to the control arm ball joint, then spray them with penetrating oil. Unscrew the three fixing nuts of the control arms using a ratchet and a 16mm socket. Using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the front holding screw on the control arm and remove it. Next, using a socket wrench and a 16mm socket, undo the control arm's first two rear retaining screws. Then unscrew the third using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket. You can now remove the control arm.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulb parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Start by brushing, then greasing the location of the control arm to facilitate the installation. First, insert the front silent block by sliding it into place. You can use a screwdriver to help align it and tighten the screw more easily. Once in place, roughly screw in the screws by hand. Place the control arm back in the control arm ball joint. You can now tighten the three screws at the rear silent block. Finalize the tightening of the screws with a Torx wrench. Screw the three nuts holding the control arms on the ball joint and finish tightening with a Torx wrench. It is now time to lift the control arms at the ball joint using a jack. The front silent blocks of the engine bedside must be tightened in the vehicle on the ground position in order to keep them in good condition. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Checks on tyre alignment, when carried out by a professional, will guarantee that your steering system has been perfectly aligned and is in good working order. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.